Unlock the secret to building stunning Webflow websites in a fraction of the time, thanks to the powerful Relume library. Let's dive straight into how you can supercharge your Webflow workflow first. Ensure you have the Relume library installed. As a Webflow app, once it's activated, you'll notice a new panel appear on the left-hand side of your Webflow designer. That's your gateway to hundreds of beautifully crafted components. The Relume library is organized into intuitive categories. Whether you're looking for a complete hero section, a navigation bar, or even a complex pricing table, you'll find it here. Let's say we need to add a compelling hero section to our page. Simply browse through the available options, see something you like. It's as easy as a drag and drop. Just click and drag the desired component onto your canvas. Instantly, you have a fully functional and styled section ready to go. But Relume isn't just about pre-built layouts, it's about customizability. Click on any element within the placed component. You can then use Webflow's familiar style panel to adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and anything else to perfectly match your brand. You can even swap out images. Need a call to action button? No problem, you can easily integrate individual components to browse the elements section. Find a button and drag it into your design. Then, just style it to perfection using Webflow's robust controls for more complex layouts, like entire pages or multi-section designs. Explore the layout section. These are often built with multiple components working together, giving you a significant head start on larger projects. This isn't just about speed. It's about consistency and professional design. Relume library components are built with best practices in mind, ensuring your website looks great on all devices. So, stop reinventing the wheel and start building smarter. The Relume library in Webflow will dramatically accelerate your design process, allowing you to deliver exceptional websites faster than ever before.